Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line DSG 4Motion. Now this vehicle is currently on 37,418 miles and it's finished in the colour Indium Grey. It was last serviced May this year, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have LED headlights with the dynamic light assist. These light up the road nice and well and really complement the overall sporty styling of the vehicle. Here to the side you'll find your 20-inch alloy wheels, your R-Line badging there on the side and your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You do have rear privacy glass giving you very nice privacy to the rear as well. Take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. You do have part leather seats with a nice suede and cloth in the centre. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. There is a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat with some cup holders. You even have free zone climate control. You've got your rear air conditioning vents there, and you also have the option for allowing rear passengers to pick their own preferred temperature. You do have these pull-out trays on the rears of the front seats, so if rear passengers are eating while on the go, it's a very nice feature to have. You have roof rails up top, so you can add things like a roof box to increase your storage. You've got a dual exhaust. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the boot. You have a very nice large amount of boot space. You can increase the storage with the adjustable boot floor. But with the boot floor set up like this, you don't have much of a load lip, so lifting things in and out can be done very easily. You can fit plenty in there, such as a pram, and have some room left over. You have a handle up top as well, allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, let's take a look at the front of this vehicle. Here inside you'll find your leather multifunction R-Line branded flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around, up top you do have a panoramic sunroof that lets plenty of light into the vehicle, making it feel even more spacious, and is a very nice touch to have on those sunny days. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have an armrest there in the centre console, so you can travel comfortably and store things away there. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Volkswagen Tiguan has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your door locks up top there. Down below here you have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the folding you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. Super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you prevent them from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You do have full electric windows and a button there for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. Here on the dashboard you'll find your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focus on the road and not lose concentration. You've got your wiper stalk there with the rain sensing feature. Moving on to the right of the steering wheel, you've got the controls for the very nice digital cockpit you have. You can display all different driving information here on the driving data feature, even including a road sign recognition which will display the speed limit of the road you're on. You do have your driver assist features here. You've got lane assist which will alert you when you're starting to drift out of your lane so you can correct this and not collide with other road users. You also have your front assist which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You have the navigation here. You can display it here on the display, so when following guidance you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road. You can even change the view of the dials as well. Moving on to your other menus as well, you have your audio, phone, even some vehicle statuses as well, and back to your driving data there. Moving to the left you have your volume controls there, and above this you will find your adaptive cruise control, which is ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. You can set up a distance that the vehicle then will keep you from vehicles ahead, automatically slowing down from the speed you have set to keep a safe distance. The vehicle will then automatically speed back up again when it's safe to do so, if for example the vehicle in front has moved over to a different lane and the road is clear ahead. It's a nice touch, you don't have to keep braking. Your indicator stalk there, and at the end of it as well you do have a button for gaining access quickly to your assist systems, for activating and deactivating them as well. Here in the centre you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. On this you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB you have a nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with all different stations there. Alternatively you can connect your own source of audio. You do have USB auxiliary input, CD, Bluetooth audio, and even your Bluetooth phone menu here, where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. Keeps you up to date with whatever you need to, and ensures you don't miss any important phone calls. You can pair your device up very easily there. You have your navigation here, so you can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease with the clear, easy to follow guidance. It's very handy if you're always heading to new places. You can use the pinch to zoom method on the touchscreen to zoom in and out. You have a button there for recentering if you go off, checking around on the map freely. You can also see places of interest on there, even change the view to a 2D or 3D effect. You have your app connect with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, which will bring a similar interface to your phones onto the system. Allows you to also safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can even use compatible apps as well, such as your music streaming servicing, even your own navigation applications, and even apps like WhatsApp and Teams. You do have your vehicle information here. You've got your sports and off-road displays, your convenience consumers, driving data with your miles per gallon on there. You have a Think Blue trainer, which judges you on how fuel efficient you're driving and gives you some fuel saving tips as well. Keep you nice and fuel efficient on the road. Got your menu there as well. You even have the Park Pilot with front and rear sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. It's extremely handy with the vehicle being on the larger side. Moving down below now, you do have your front climate control. You've got your direction of airflow buttons up top, your heated front seats with 3 different temperature options. You have the temperature switches on either side and your fan speed in the centre. Buttons for defrost in the front and rear windscreen. You have a menu button there for displaying the climate information on the display. You've got a storage compartment there with your USB auxiliary inputs and a 12-volt socket. And below here, you will also find your parking sensors on and off, your start, stop, on and off system, the traction control, and even your off-road feature with the 4Motion. You can select the type of terrain you're entering on. You've got your normal mode, your off-road mode, and off-road individual mode there. You can change this, setting up your own preferences to the steering, the vehicle's drive, the 4-wheel drive system, your adaptive cruise control, even the dynamic cornering lights, the air conditioning, hill descent assist and hill hold assist. You also have a snow mode there. And in the normal mode, you can also access your other driving modes. You have your eco, normal, sports and individual, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through these. With the individual mode as well, you can set up your own preferences to how the vehicle performs and handles, with the steering drive, the adaptive cruise control again, the dynamic cornering lights and the air conditioning. Lastly, up top you will find the controls for the panoramic roof. Pushing the switch back there will automatically glide the roof open, letting plenty of fresh air and sunlight into the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video on the Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line DSG 4Motion. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.